Good morning, friends and family of my Facebook. Today we are doing chicken rice soup. It's been a while. I had my first Thanksgiving going on last week and going to be preparing for my second Thanksgiving next week. So that's the reason why I wasn't on for a few days. But anyways, today is going to be chicken rice soup, and I am doing mine with celery, carrots, and onions, and rice and chicken. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so I have my chicken, whole chicken in there, and I'm going to add a little bit more water and cover it up. And I'm just going to put that on the stove and put that on high. I am adding my chicken flavor bouillon to it, just so you guys know. Get that flavor faster. So I do a capful, so it's how I measure in there. All right, so we're gonna start with the celery. So for the broth, I take off the top and I rinse it off again, and I throw that in with my whole chicken. So everything that I'm gonna throw in with my whole chicken right now, I'm not chopping into small pieces. And then I'm gonna do my onion. This is a very easy recipe as well. It's just the time, that's all, waiting for it. But the prep and everything is pretty easy. I'm going to just cut it in half and throw that in my pot. And then I'm going to add just a few of my, like a handful of carrots in there. And just let that cook. So I'm going to do my rice now and get that going, because I add cooked rice to it. That you can just set aside or in the fridge if it's done early, or just leave it out on your counter. Washing it. Okay. You can get my rice going. So now I'm just going to cut my vegetables that I'm going to add in the last hour of cooking. So the chicken that's on there now with the vegetables, I cook that for an hour. And then I take the whole, or an hour and a half, and then I take the whole chicken out. And then I add the small vegetables in and let that cook again for another hour. And while the vegetables are cooking, I shred up the chicken that I took out. And then that gets added in with the rice that's already cooked. So, pretty simple. And it tastes so good. And you can always add whatever vegetables you like. This is my combo that I like. I'm one of those people that actually like her carrots overcooked in my soups. I don't know why, but I do. Same with my celery. Did you guys get rain where you are? We got a little bit of rain here. I was super excited and happy about that. I love the rain. I love baking in the rain. It's like have my coffee or my hot chocolate, and I made cinnamon rolls. That's how I spent my rainy day, and relaxing, of course. That's about it as far as prep. So easy peasy. So I'll show you how my pot is over here. You guys can see it. I'm just gonna have it on there till about 11 o'clock, and then I will pull out the whole chicken and I will start a second video on the last hour of cooking. So I'll see you guys back at 11 o'clock. And I hope you guys have a good day. All right. Bye, guys.